What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a edge tutorial, you know, some slides. So if you guys want to see how I did these quick edges in like 3 minutes, just keep watching. Okay. So I got so much naps back here, y'all. I have them fucked around, and I was trying to take this off, and I snagged some of my naps back there because they so nappy. Anyway, I'm just yank it off like that. Show y'all how we are going to do these edges, y'all. It's so time for me to take my hair down, but I'm being lazy, so I just thought I would show you guys how I make these edges right here. Hold on, let me take a screenshot. Okay, alright, so I'm just going to, you just need, you know, your little edge brush, your little toothbrush, some water, and then your favorite edge control. Now, this used to be my favorite edge control. I'm going to show you guys my favorite now, though. Okay, so Edge Boost is actually my favorite edge control, y'all, but I be so cheap. I don't be wanting to buy the big thing, even though I end up going through like 2-3 of these in like a couple weeks, so then I ended up being like, I could have just bought a big one. But whatever, I just trick my mind, thinking that I'm saving money by buying a small one. Oh, shit. Sorry, thank you. So let's just jump into the video. Okay. I'm gonna come back to this one and fix it towards the end, but the trick to doing your edges is to use your finger to kind of like swirl it or to maneuver it the way you want it to be, you know? And see, with the edge booster, you can literally just do it one time and it's gonna stay. But what I realized about edge wax, the reason why I don't like it anymore is because my edges will still curl up, you know?